Alright, today in Packet Tracer we're going to be using CDP as a network discovery tool. And these are just show commands that allow you to show the different interfaces you're connected to and your neighbors. And you can use individual or all of them. Or uh, so we're going to go through that. And router builds a table of information about neighboring devices from CDP messages received from those devices. So when those devices send a packet back and forth, it's documented. And this is how you are allowed to see that. So to see your neighbors, you just go to your CLI, and you can just type in show CDP neighbors, and it shows that it shows your interfaces that you're hooked up to them, um, your hold time here, what kind of port IDs they are, and that's your S1 and R2, and your S1's here, R2's here. That's your outside router, and then you have a switch that which is your S, your fast Ethernet, and then your serial is the one that you're hooked up to your outside internet, or outside could be the internet, but then you can actually just look at just one of them. You can in detail you can look at the R2. So by doing that, we go show CDP entry R2, and it gives you the information, what it is, the capabilities, which interface, and port ID, just like it did up there. Gives you the version, just to make sure that you're compatible with it. Then you also have the show CDP entry, which gives you basically gives you both of your, with the star behind it, it gives you both of your neighbors, but it gives both your neighbors and all of their information. Unlike the show neighbors, and that just gives you, doesn't give you all of your versions and uh, all that. So now we'll go on. We'll go to show CDP neighbors detail. And I spelled that wrong, which you can tell that. And in here it tells you, gives you if it's outgoing port or incoming port. Outgoing port, but it gives you the IP address here, and it didn't give you for the details for it. And the other one, it did not give you the IP address of your neighbor. So that's just a little bit more. So here we're going to disable enable CDP globally on the router. We're going to enter our global configuration mode. Okay, and we're going to run the no CDP run command. And then we're going to try to show CDP neighbors. I think we have to exit out of that. And it's not enabled, so it shows us right there that we shut it off. So that's how you show it, and then to enable it, you have to go back in and hit CDP run. Okay, and then we'll exit. Okay, and then we'll go show CDP neighbors. Okay, now it's giving us our information again. So obviously we were able to enable and disable that.